Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss environmental control of different pollutants. Pollution prevention is a major global concern because of the harmful effect of pollution on a person's health and on the environment. Environmental pollution come in various forms such as air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, etc. Everyone is stakeholder as we are all inhabitant of this one and only Mother Earth. Each person can contribute something to advance environmental pollution migration measures. Environmental protection means caring for our resource and subsequently for ourselves and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come will have better environment. Averting the onset of pollution in any area, that is, be it on air, water or land, could be a start and the simplest preventive solution to the problem. This call for conscientious effort to adopt good practice or habit by the people. The passage and the proper implementation of appropriate government laws and strict compliance, especially by potential industrial pollutants. If there are no pollutants, there will be no pollution. And yet, this is easier said than done. Certain bad habits are entrenched and industrial development somehow carry with it in concomitant burden of pollution, the cost to business and its commercial ramifications make this rather simple preventive approach quite complicated and more difficult to implement. Everyone can help by self-education and by adopting good and healthy practices. It is also important that we help raise awareness about the significance of environmental issue, their dire consequence and what can be done. Every action or inaction of any person in regard to her or his surrounding has an effect, be it good, neutral, or bad, on the environment. Nature already provides for our needs. Whatever we do to it get back to us. If we are friend of the earth, it will also be friendly to us by becoming aware and doing right action. We choose to part of the solution. What come to mind now to serve or reminders include the following: stop smoking or at least follow the no smoking sign. Use unleaded gasoline in your cars. Keep your car properly maintained to keep it in good running condition to avoid smoke emission. Share a ride or engage in carpooling. Instead of using your car, choose to walk or ride a bicycle whenever possible. With this eco-friendly practice, you will also be healthier and happier by staying fit. Never use open fire to dispose of waste. Adopt 3 hours of solid waste management. Reduce, reuse, and recycle can be reclaimed and recycled. This take into account that the proven solution to the problem of proper waste management, especially in third world countries, is proper disposal in waste bin for collection and not in street where it could fall into drains. waste segregation and correction and recycling. Start composting brown leaf in your yard and green scrap for your kitchen. It will reduce waste while improving your yard and garden soil. Reconnected with nature, Rayu green by using green power supplied abundantly and free by wind and the sun. Hang your laundry to dry to minimize use of gas or electricity from your dryer. Enjoy fresh air from open window to lessen the use of air conditioning system. Patronize local foods and good in this manner, transporting good and food prepared with GMO, which use fuel for conventional energy source will be minimized. Use eco-friendly and biodegradable material instead of plastic, which are made up of highly toxic substance injurious to your health. Create your green space, value your garden, plant more trees and put indoor plant in your home. They clean the air, provide oxygen and beauty your surrounding, thus care from them and by protecting them. Especially the big trees around and in the forest, you protect yourself and your family too. Have a proper waste disposal system, especially for toxic wastage. Take very good care of your pets and their waste. Never throw, run or drain or dispose into the water, air or land any substance in solid, liquid or gases from that shall causes pollution. Do not cause loud noise, unwanted sound to avoid noise pollution. Do not litter in public place. Anti-litter campaign and can educate the populace. Industry should use fuel with lower sulfur content. Industry should monitor their air emission regularly and take measures to ensure compliance with prescribed emission standard. Industry should strictly follow applicable government regulation on pollution control. Organic waste should be dumped in place from residential areas. Say a big no to GMO or genetically modified organism. Genetically engineered genetically engineered crops are not only bad for the environment since they required massive amount of fungicide, pesticide, but GMO altered food are also health risks and negatively impact farm livelihood. This is the environmental control of different pollution. After that, we will discuss the pollution control approach, applying pollution control technologies, greenhouse effect, thermal pollution, like that. Today we have discussing environmental control of different pollutant. In next lecture, we have discussed next part of 6 unit pollution control approach. Thank you.